Popular recording artist Lieutenant Stitchie unresponsive after severe brain hemorrhage. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Lieutenant Stitchie, one of Jamaica's most prolific gospel dancehall artists, has suffered a severe brain hemorrhage that has left him unresponsive. His wife Sophia Leng has launched a GoFundMe page to raise $100,000 that will enable the family to house the artist in a long care facility where he can receive rehabilitative care. Launched 2 days ago, the GoFundMe have so far raised over $2,000. Your donations will make a difference by bringing hope to Lieutenant Stitchie family during this difficult time. Your generosity and prayers mean the world to us. We are very grateful for the support to help cover costs of transfer, medical care, and living expenses in a long-term home care facility. Every donation, no matter how small, will make a difference and bring hope to Clive and his family during this difficult time. Stitchie, also known as Governor, has been having health issues since 2023. He was assisted on stage last October and appeared to lose his bearing, which raises questions about his well-being. The artist cemented his name as part of dancehall history and later the gospel arena for more than 40 years. He recorded his first song in 1983. His big break came in 1987 when he recorded the album Wear Your Size for King Jammins, with the big single with the same name topping local charts. Stitchie also went on to record albums for Atlantic Records and later recorded for producer Patrick Roberts on Shocking Vibes label. Stitchie later gave up dancehall for gospel. Mrs. Leng, wife of the entertainer, is encouraging those who can contribute to the campaign to share the information with others. Your generosity and prayers mean the world to us, and we are deeply grateful for your support, she said. Links 007 TV News will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.